Hello friends, if you want to stop your screen from sliding down, I will show you the simple way to turn this off. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First you type reachability in the search bar. Click here. Click here, turn off this reachability setting. So friends, after turning this off, your screen will not slide down. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.